Did you know school didn't teach you this? Exploring the alphabet in numbers, a fascinating language observation. When we write out numbers in English, we use specific letters to form the names of those numbers. But did you know that, as you count higher and higher, some letters of the alphabet are used more frequently than others? And surprisingly, there are even letters that don't appear at all in the way we spell out numbers, even though they're used in everyday language. Let's break this down step by step to understand how certain letters show up or don't show up as we spell numbers all the way up to 1 billion. The first few numbers, 0, 20. Let's start with the first few numbers. Here's how they look when written out. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. When you look at these first 20 numbers, the most commonly used letters are T, E, N, F, and S. These letters appear in almost every number name, while others like A don't even show up yet. Numbers 21 to 99 are shift in letters. As we move beyond 20, numbers become more complex, but they still follow a pattern. For example, 21, 21, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90. In these numbers, you begin to see W for 20 and F for 40 and 50 appearing. Also, the letter T continues to be prominent. Interestingly, A still doesn't make an appearance in any of these numbers. Reaching the hundreds, a new trend emerges. Once we get to 100, 100 and beyond, more letters start to pop up, but A still isn't there. Here are a few examples. 101, 101, 150, 150, 999, 999. Notice that A finally makes its debut in 101, 101. This is a huge milestone because A is one of the most used letters in the English language, yet we don't encounter it until we're into the hundreds. You'd think it would show up much sooner, especially given its frequency in many English words, but it doesn't. Thousands and beyond, more letters start to appear. At this point, we've reached 1,000, 1,000. And while A appeared in 101, we still haven't seen some letters that might surprise you. J and K, for example, aren't used at all in the names of numbers. No jackets in the number system. 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1 million. 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1 billion. At this point, M and B appear prominently. M shows up in million and B in billion. These numbers are where we start to see more letters appearing. But still, certain letters